Jersey, tree-lined Garden Street, 3 bedrooms, and an oversized 1,100 square foot private backyard. This is my new listing. Let's go check it out. Originally built in the early 1900s, 908 Garden was recently renovated to blend old world charm with just the right touch of chic classic updates. Commuting to New York City is simple via PATH train, bus, or ferry, which are all under 20 minutes. Hoboken's trendy restaurants, boutiques, and parks all lie within 1 square mile. With over 1,800 square feet, 908 features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a bonus room. And backyards like this are a rarity in Hoboken. This is where memories are made.